$1.
You will need something bigger than that.
$10. Let's go, Transformer. Yeah!
Come on, that's all you got?
$50 car. Surely the six-wheelers can do it. Come on.
My grandpa pushes harder than this.
Next up, $250 car. Let's go.
This car is a monster, but not more than me.
The $300 is spider car. This car can climb the wall. Spider car, let's pull him.
Are you kidding me?
$500. $500 plane. It will take you to the moon. Chitty chitty bang bang.
Wake me up when it takes off.
Finally, the $1,000 beast. Let's go.
Wait, if this car can pull me, then like the video. But if it can't, then hit subscribe.
Let's go.